When you're working on one of the country's biggest jigsaw puzzles, it's important that your timing is impeccable, your people skills are amazing, and you have an eye for the smallest detail. Hi, my name is Monica Vary and I am a site supervisor on the New Zealand International Convention Centre. I'm currently in my last year studying construction management at Unitec. I started as an intern with Fletcher Construction during my first year and have had the privilege of seeing all stages of the construction process from the ground up. Unitec has introduced me to some incredible industry professionals and mentors who have given me real-life experiences and industry skills to complement my studies. They've helped me understand the relationship aspect of construction, working with colleagues, subcontractors and safety teams to ensure the process is seamless every minute of every hour, something you'd never learn in a classroom. Now I'm flying over to Sydney to work on a project and broaden my experience and knowledge. People might tell you it's not what you know, it's who you know, but Unitec makes sure you've got both areas covered so you hit the ground running.